Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to Gadget. In today's video we're going to talk about MSI GE63VR 7RF RAIDER gaming laptop. The GE63VR 7RF RAIDER is a gaming laptop from MSI. It features Nvidia's 1070 graphics with a 120Hz screen. It also got an Intel 7700HQ quad-core CPU running at 2.8 GHz, which can turbo up to 3.8 GHz. The lid and interior are black brushed metal, and the overall build quality seems pretty decent. The physical dimensions of the laptop are 38.3 cm in width, 26 cm in depth, and 2.75 cm in height. The total weight of the laptop is advertised at 2.39 kg with a battery, and I found mine to weigh just a little more than this, and this increases to just under 3.4 kg when you include the power brick and cable for charging. The screen here is a 15.6-inch 120Hz 1080p TN matte panel. No G-Sync available here unfortunately. The viewing angles are really good. The colors are still clear even on sharp angles, and it's got a 3 millisecond response time. I've also measured the colors produced by the screen using the Spider 5 Pro, and my results return 100% of sRGB, 84% of NTSC, and 88% of Adobe RGB, so it's giving really good results. The camera looks pretty terrible even with some decent lighting, while the microphone sounds alright. There's an RGB SteelSeries keyboard, which was great to type with. I only found minimal flags while pushing down quite hard on the keyboard. It's fairly sturdy and this wasn't an issue with typing normally. The lighting can be adjusted through the included SteelSeries software, and there are a number of effects available. It's very customizable. There's individual key customization here, so you can control the colors of every single key, which also means there are a lot more effects than most of the other RGB laptop keyboards I've tested. Towards the right under the power button is a button that allows you to easily cycle through the lighting effects, and the button under that can be used to quickly change the fan speed of the laptop. The keyboard area is a bit warmer than the gaming test. By manually maxing out the fans, the temperature drops back just a little bit. However, there's no longer any throttling happening. As for the fan noise produced by the laptop, under full load and even gaming, it's fairly loud, a bit louder than most other 15-inch laptops. However, most of those only run with 1060 graphics or lower, so there's a more power here. The keyboard area is a bit warmer than the gaming test. By manually maxing out the fans, the temperature dropped back just a little bit. However, there's no longer any throttling happening. As for the fan noise produced by the laptop, under full load and even gaming, it's fairly loud, a bit louder than most other 15-inch laptops that I've tested. However, most of those only run with 1060 graphics or lower, so there's more power here. So what do you guys think about this laptop? Leave us your thought in the comment section below. Please give us a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.